Here we are in Loretto Beaufort at Farnham. We've just completed line marking. Just a little bit about line marking. Sports halls are built to Department of Education standard. That standard allows for international basketball in every gym that they build. So your standard is about 608 square meters. Your biggest court is international basketball. Then you have 4 badmintons. You generally have 2 small basketball cross courts and a 5-a-side soccer. So each gym allows a multitude of games to be played on it. In relation to line marking, we use this little guy here. So this is an absolute genius of a machine. We can simply set the width we want the tape to be. For all your badminton, it's 40mm wide. For every other court, it's 50mm wide. We can swing all our radius arcs, all our straight lines with this, using specialist tape as such, and then you simply paint between them with a 2-pack specialist line marking paint. This thing is actually years old. I've done it up recently, nearly as old as I am, but it is worth its weight in salt. Thank you for watching RH Wood Floors.